Moola Bandha and Kumbhaka. From the book Moola Bandha, The Master Key by Swami Buddhananda. Moola Bandha with Antar Kumbhaka, inner retention. Sit in Siddhasana, Siddhayoniasana, or any other comfortable posture that enhances awareness of the Muladhara trigger point. Relax your body and close your eyes. Witness the natural breath flowing in and out of your body. Spontaneous, natural breath. Now bring your awareness to Muladhara trigger point. Expand your awareness to include both the breath and Muladhara. Intense awareness, breath and Muladhara. Now feel or imagine that as you breathe in, you are drawing the breath up from the Muladhara to Anya chakra in the midbrain behind the eyebrow center. As you breathe out, your awareness flows back from Anya to Muladhara. Inhale from Muladhara to Anya. Exhale from Anya to Muladhara. Some people experience this movement of the breath straight up and down the spine, directly between Muladhara and Anya chakra. Others feel it moving up the front of the body from Muladhara to the pubic bone, center of the chest, throat, nose tip, to the eyebrow center, and then down again. Yet others experience the movement up the front of the body to Anya and down the spine to Muladhara. This is a matter of personal sensitivity and preference. Simply choose your pathway and become aware of the movement of the breath along that pathway. Let's do it again. Inhale from Muladhara to Anya. Exhale from Anya to Muladhara. Your awareness should be exactly synchronized with the breath. As you reach the peak of inhalation, your awareness reaches Anya chakra. The moment your awareness arrives at Muladhara, your exhalation should be complete. Let's do it again. Inhale from Muladhara to Anya. Exhale from Anya to Muladhara. You will notice that your breath has become slower and deeper. Now, at the peak of inhalation in Anya chakra, hold your breath. So let's inhale. Hold the breath. Bring the chin to the chest, which is Jalandhara Bandha, and this will help you hold the breath. Retain the breath in Anya for a comfortable length of time. Then raise the head and take a short breath in, then slowly exhale down to Muladhara. Let's do that again. Inhale to Anya, chin to the chest, hold the breath. Raise the head, inhale a little more, and exhale to Mooladhara. Do not strain, do not overextend your breath retention. Maintain a relaxed, natural rhythm. When your breathing pattern is established, add Moola Bandha. As you breathe in, slowly contract Mooladhara. Draw the inhaled breath up from Mooladhara while slowly tightening the contraction of the chakra, and make sure the rest of the body is relaxed. Bring the chin to the chest. The peak of inhalation at Anya is also the point of maximum contraction at Mooladhara. Hold it, then raise the head and very slowly release the contraction as you breathe out. The point of complete exhalation at Mooladhara is also the point of total relaxation. Now let's try it again. Breathe in, contracting Mooladhara, chin to chest. Hold the contraction and the breath in Anya. Rotate your awareness between Anya and Mooladhara. Then simultaneous awareness of both. Raise the head. Breathe out to Mooladhara and release the Bandha. This is one round. Begin with 3 rounds and gradually build up to 10. Allow your breath to return to normal after each round. As you become established in this practice, you will spontaneously become more and more aware of the psychic dimension of Moola Bandha. As you contract Mooladhara, feel the psychic energy rising with the breath. While holding the Bandha, be aware of the powerful energy impulses fired from the Mooladhara and exploding in Anya. As you breathe out, watch the dark space behind the forehead, Chidakasha, and feel this vital energy diffusing through the body. After completing your practice, sit with eyes closed in the same asana. Rest your mind in the warm, friendly darkness of Chidakasha and allow yourself to be aware of your physical reactions. How is your heartbeat? What is happening with your breath? Let every bodily sensation, pleasant or otherwise, come before your relaxed awareness. Then move from your body to your feelings. Does this practice arouse any special emotion or memory? Do you feel afraid, tearful, happy, exhilarated? Watch the play of your sentiments as if you were watching an actor on the stage. Witness them with the objectivity of a news reporter. Remember, in Chidakasha, there is nothing good and nothing bad, just simple awareness. When both body and mind are tranquil, then chant Om mentally 3 times and end the practice or move into your usual meditation practice.